Hi, I'm Wes Porter, Extension Precision Ag and Irrigation Specialist at the University of Georgia, and today we're going to talk about the importance of planter depth and planter depth setting and how minor changes in planter depth can have major impacts on your crop emergence and yield later in the season. Planter depth is one of our most critical settings on the planter to ensure that we have proper seed placement at the beginning of the season. That seed placement in the furrow is going to affect our rate of germination, and our final crop stand as we move into the season. The desired depth on a planter row unit is set by changing the position of the gauge wheel stop. This is accomplished by a few different ways depending on the planter manufacturer. One of the most common ways is a spring-loaded T-handle. By changing the T-handle position, the position of the mechanical stop of the gauge wheels is changed. This changes the distance between the double disc furrow openers and the gauge wheels. Due to wear on the gauge wheel stop, the T-handle position that corresponds to the desired depth usually varies across the planter row units. To ensure that each row is set at the exact same depth, each row needs to be checked individually by sitting the gauge wheels on a support of the same height as the target planting depth and adjusting the T-handle position accordingly. This operation is usually referred to as a block check. This simple tool called the set and seed, invented by Blake Patton from Illinois, facilitates this operation. It is constituted by a base and building blocks, just like Legos, that are added to the base to increase the depth at which we want to set the row units. Once the desired depth is set on the set and seed, it is placed under the row unit, which has the depth set at the deepest setting. Then we lower the planter unit gauge wheels onto the set and seed and pull the T-handle as far as it can go. With this method, we are certain that the distance between the gauge wheels and the double disc opener corresponds to the depth that we set on the set and seed. We repeat the operation for all the row units at the beginning of the season and write down the T-handle position that corresponds to each depth setting. Now, we are certain that our depth setting is uniform across the planter. Please note that before sitting the gauge wheels on the set and seed, the T-handle needs to be in the deepest setting position to allow the gauge wheels to have a full range of motion. In general, our recommended seed depths for our 4 major row crops can be found in our UGA production guides for the respective row crop. When we look in there, we see that corn is about 1.5 to 2 inches. Peanut is set up to about 2 to 2.5 inches deep. Cotton is anywhere from 1/2 inch to 1 inch deep, and soybeans is anywhere from 1 inch to 1.5 inches deep. It's critical that we match all these recommended seed depths to our condition, to our soil moisture, to our current soil temperature, etc. when we go to set the planter up and when we move from field to field to field, that we match those individual conditions.